The vehicle that changed the game for Chrysler. Take a look at the certified pre-owned 2022 Chrysler 300S. This vehicle comes equipped with adaptive bi-xenon HID headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, remote start system, heated steering wheel, 1,000 miles only on this vehicle on the odometer. It comes equipped with an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera system, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof. It's coming equipped with a rumbling 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.